ASTS stock gained 16.19% in the regular session of today, the 2nd of October 2025. So this is the post-market session. It has lost some of those gains. It printed a 52-week high, which I believe this is it. Yeah, 66.83 dollars. Underlying trend is a bullish one. Yeah, higher prices are expected to keep playing out, going all the way towards Friday, the 31st of October. No guarantee that that will be the case. This is an extrapolation that is going to the future by so many points. The odds of that happening that way is very, 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 very slim. Very slim. If anything, um, we can take the extrapolation that tomorrow it will still be trading at a higher price. Tomorrow, the third of October. You know, in any case, we don't have any upper projections here. We have a down projection right at 54.20, but we can take this 66.83. We might see higher projections elsewhere. Okay, so underlying trend strongly bullish. Let's see what we have in terms of its price pressure momentums. Okay, they are both the 10 and 21-day moving averages are both trending strong trend modes. The positions opened over the last 21 days and even beyond are in profit right now. Everything is trending. The negative derivatives, the fractionally negative derivatives are indicating that short sellers are taking profits in the midst of all of the strength that the stock is has been showing. Okay, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is equally extrapolating higher prices, at least going all the way towards Monday, the 6th of October, pre-market session. No, yeah, sorry, at the close of the session. Okay, projections. What do we have? 52.25, nothing to the upside. We may find even more ambitious. Yeah, we do. We have 52.25, 65.26, 71.84, 75.91. These were in play as of this week, Monday, the 29th of this week. Yeah. Okay, so let's see whether we have even more ambitious projections. Nothing really, no. Okay, price pressure momentum is on this daily chart. Let's see what we have. Everything is trending robustly, nothing fractional here. Everything is positive. Positions opened all the way back to 84 hours ago, still very much intact, very still much in profit. Yeah. There isn't really any news as such, but the stock is trending and there's a reasonable amount of chatter around it. So let's see what's going on.
AST SpaceMobile, ASTS, is trending as excitement builds around its satellite production progress and upcoming launches, fueling bullish momentum in both retail and institutional circles. The community is buzzing about the company's recent Bloomberg interview, which highlighted ongoing partnerships and reinforced the vision of delivering space based cellular broadband directly to smartphones worldwide. A major milestone, the completion of BlueBird 6, has added to investor confidence, with many pointing to this achievement as proof of steady execution towards global connectivity. Bulls emphasize that ASTS is now fully funded through 2026, eliminating near term dilution risks and clearing the runway for satellite deployment. Beyond the fundamentals, traders are speculating on the potential for a short squeeze, citing high short interest and the stock's recent momentum. Optimists argue that the current valuation doesn't reflect ASTS's long term growth prospects, especially if government contracts and telecom partnerships continue to expand. On the other hand, skeptics remain focused on financial risks, execution challenges, and whether ASTS can scale fast enough to fend off competition in the emerging space telecom market. For now, though, ASTS has become a high stakes battleground stock, with bulls betting on a once in a generation moonshot in global broadband, while bears question if the rally is sustainable or if the risks still outweigh the rewards.
Okay, so that's what's going on, and let's see. We could have a look at the market greed. It's just going to give us a range of prices. Yeah, let's see, like a price channel. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, here we have the stock is currently at 65.87, so it's trading between the resistance and the supports, but it has a downward trajectory, so it may test 65.12. Maybe it may do that before resuming the uptrend, if any, if it will, if it would. But the our goals are saying that it will. So, but we don't exactly know for sure if it will. Let's have a look at the 1 hour charts. Okay, the top of the range is 70.35. That's the essence of also having a look at this market grid. It also gives us prices. It gives us prices on in cases where we don't find Fibonacci projections on the chart. This market grid will always have prices, especially to the upside. Yeah, 1 hour charts. Okay, 67.13, not as ambitious. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether we can get even on a 3 hour chart. Okay, 69.67, not as ambitious. Okay. I don't think the daily chart is going to give us anything. I don't think so. No, it's not. The stock is trading outside of its market grid here. It hasn't reacted yet. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of ASTS, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.